In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find cash buyers in Propwire account. So in order to do that, first head over to propwire.com and you should be able to see this. On my case, let's proceed to sign up. So you can see right here that we have the sign up button. If you do not have an account yet, proceed to click on this. However, if you already have it, proceed to click on the login option right there. So I already have an account, so let me just proceed to log in. Now here is my actual dashboard. If you want to find cash buyers in Propwire, you can just use the cash buyer lead type filter. First, head over and input right here your target location. My target location is actually Chicago. So I have this right here. Click on the lead types, reset it, and then from in there scroll down and we have in here the option for cash buyers. So for that, click on it and this will search in here for that particular property that have that filter. You can see these options right here. Some are corporate owned, some are individually owned, and the likes. So just choose right here the actual property that catches your interest. On my case, I have in here this one. Let's click on it. And then after that, you can see if there's any images for this property. You can also find in here the land or built-in. You can see the estimated mortgage balance, the equity for that, property characteristics, as well as year built, land information, and the likes. So with this, you can actually buy this particular property through cash if it's on the market. So it's last sold just the June this month. So what you can do is you can head over to the owner tab and then proceed to contact the owner if you want to buy it. We have in here their full name as well as mailing address. You can also choose in here the skip trace in order to get their phone number, email, and more. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.